Hi guys, it's Baby. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Okay, so in today's video, I want to work on like masterboards, and I thought this was so cute. Honestly, like I probably should go and scan it, but I'm too lazy to, and I'm just gonna keep going. But anyways, so I created this cutie. I did a lot of like, I think like vintage, I guess botanical type of theme. I'm not sure if it's like kind of all over the place, isn't it? It's really cute though. The last one that I had done was on Angela's channel on one of our lives, and so it was me, Cara, and Angela, and I created this one. So I will be linking that video down below just in case you missed it. And I added just a little bit more ephemera once the camera was cut off, and so I made these cute little tags and I cut them up into different sizes. And so I wanted to do one with you guys on camera and see how it ends up going. But basically I take a card like this, and it's like heavy cardstock. You obviously don't have to use anything this thick, but I kind of like it because it gives you like a very sturdy tag, and I very much like that. So let's go ahead and get started, and we're gonna craft together. I'll try not to take up too much of y'all's time. I don't really have a theme that I'm going for here. I kind of just see what I think is cute and just go along with it. I'm just gonna go ahead and start gluing stuff down and chatting with you guys, I guess, and hopefully it won't be too boring. I ended up coming down with like feeling super lethargic, and I instantly felt like something was going on with me. And of course I'm a little sick right now, and I didn't want to do any chores, so I came in here and started crafting. But I feel like most of us would choose to craft over having to do house chores, or is that just me? I hope you guys are all having a lovely day, and I want to thank you guys for spending time with me. So right now I am just placing down some papers that I think look pretty, and just whatever calls out to me. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. It's just whatever calls to you, and I'm taking just scraps of whatever. So the first one that y'all saw there was like dictionary page, but y'all can use encyclopedia pages. And then I got this out of a little book that my friend MJ, she's so sweet, MJ, I hope you're doing well, over at My Paper Journey had gifted me. I'll show you guys real quick. I think it's actually for scrapbooking. This one says collage card kit, and it gives you basically like ideas on how to collage, which I honestly haven't used it for that. For inspo, I kind of just do my own thing. And then she put her little artwork in there, which is adorable. I love it. It's so pretty. She put it on parchment paper, but that's what I used for this little piece you see here, which goes perfectly with it. We're going to go in and try to find a bigger piece to just continue on gluing cuties onto here. I recently started really getting into collaging, and I feel like with time I have gotten better. Okay, see, the thing about this is you can kind of see the images showing through, so I don't like that. I want to go in with something a little bit more thicker. But I like this because I'm recycling junk mail. I found a little bit of map pages, which map pages would go great with this because they have all types of colors that are in them, so then you'd be able to incorporate like blues. You could see lots of blues in there, tans and greens. It's very nice. I very much like using map pages for projects. Makes it easier for you to combine different colors and stuff. I'm gonna put that here. I think that looks really good. And then I found some more pages, but I don't want to put it side by side there. We want to build a little bit of contrast. So then I pulled out a couple of little scraps here from my bin, And I'm just going to find little places here and there to glue it down and start working around them. Just like that. And it's already starting to come together very nicely. And I think I could put that there too. I kind of like the numbers on this side, so I'll do that. I love the look of numbers. We have some more music page here. I'll probably opt to put that in the corner here. I just get whatever I think is pretty. I don't exactly know my style or anything like that. I just grab for what I think looks pretty. This one looks like it would fit really good here, so I'm going to go ahead and take this one. I guess this side. I normally wouldn't go for something this grungy, but it's what I pulled out, and I want to challenge myself with just grabbing for what I pulled out. Using what you pull, you know? And you could see it's grid paper if I bring it up close. I love grid paper. The other day I was writing using grid paper, and my husband's like, "Are you writing on grid paper?" And I was like, "Yeah, I like it. It's really nice." He's like, "How strange." I was like, I find that I would rather write on grid paper than I normally would on regular paper. I just think it has a better appeal to me. Although I love paper in general, but there's certain things about different papers, you know, that stick out to us. I put a little bit of glue on that front there. I have to take that off. We have the word bliss here. I'm just trying to find a good spot for it. See how a lot of these are going up and down, up and down? You kind of want some papers to go in a different direction, or personally that's what I think looks better. Ooh, I've got this one. This looks kind of cool. I think this might have been from a paper pack. Let's turn this the other way, because the other side's getting... Sorry guys, I have no idea why my camera shut off, and I was just chatting away with you guys, and then when I looked up I noticed that it had stopped recording, and I was like, no! So I have no idea where I stopped. Maybe today I was not meant to record or something. Maybe that's what my phone is trying to tell me. I'm choosing to ignore it, so if it shuts off again, then I'll know today was not the day to do this. But anyways, I was just about done, so I don't know why it cut me off the way. You didn't have to cut me off. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna cut off the excess that we don't need. It's funny because anytime I get these in the mail, I'm like, oop, it's that time again. Got a master board. I cut off too much right there. Bugs me. Okay, now we can embellish with some cuties. I've got mini ephemera here. Tiny, tiny mini ephemeras. And this one I wanted to use earlier, but I didn't get to, so I'm going to use it on this one. And I already love all the colors. What do you guys think? Y'all feeling this collage? I know I am. Yeah, I think I want it right there. And that's it. That's really all you do. You just find whatever calls to you, and you smack it down on paper and make a masterpiece. Masterpiece. Ooh, it's crooked. Ah, too far. I'm excited there, you know. Alright, so there we go. We've got that cutie glued down. And you see how this morphs in really good, really good. We don't want that. We want it to go, you know, to pop a little bit. So I'm just gonna keep looking for little pieces here and there. Especially butterflies. They make collages come together really pretty. Ooh, look at the colors with that. Yep, that's a winner. So we're gonna put that down. And that's it. That's all you're doing. You're just kind of volunteering some of these pieces, and then you audition them. And if they look good, then put it there. And that's what you continue on doing. That looks good there too. I'm bringing everything to camera so you guys can see what I'm doing, because then I forget that I'm like way over here and not showing y'all what I'm doing. This is a good time to use y'all's washi tapes too. If you've got washi tapes and you just don't know what to do with them, this is it right here. And then look, we got washi tapes here. How cute is that already? I'm gonna cut it here just because I feel like it. And that's gonna look really good there. And I also put an additional glue to the washi tapes because I feel like they don't stick out. Now my camera's got me all paranoid, making me think like it's gonna stop recording anytime. But it's gonna be edited anyway, so it'll look like nothing ever happened, hopefully. So we'll see. And I got this washi tape from Temu. This cutie. And some of them I got from Happy Meals. You see how we have reds here now? I want to add some more reddish tones. And I had already cut out a label here. And I want to go in with it. Get off! No, I want a torn edge. I was going to do a neat cut with the scissors, but no. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Right? Okay, camera shut off one more time. How did I know it was going to do that? I don't know. I had a feeling. I know I said I was going to not record after that, but like, we've already started. And I'm already having fun with you guys. So we're just going to keep ignoring my phone. And just keep going forward. Alright, so let's see what else we have here. We could put something inside of there, huh? Eventually. We'll use that, I think. Because it is cute. I like this, but I don't want to use the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is cut off some of it. I'm going to flip it over. And you see you can always use just partial parts of ephemera. Don't always feel like you have to use the whole thing. Because it might just look good on the outer edge, you know? Just gotta try it out. I'm gonna put it right there. Look how cute that is. And then I could probably put this on this side somewhere. If not, just put it to the side and you can figure it out later. Fix my washi tape. Oh, I have some that look like stamps too. Sorry about that, guys. I've ran into some storage issues, but I just wanted to hop on here one last time before I say bye-bye. I just added this washi tapes here. And then these are just little ephemeras for added touches, but that's it. That's basically it for me. I could probably add something here, maybe a piece of doily, and call it done. And then I would cut these up into little tags and or make like faux postcards and stuff. So I think it turned out great. Once again, I want to thank you guys for having spent time with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed and found some inspiration. Y'all take care, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.